Take to the skies with the Kayuajara, an agile flyer with a striking crest and a natural talent for aerial display. Originally from the dry cliffs of prehistoric Brazil, these lively piscivores are natural performers, bringing color and constant motion to any aviary. They're naturally social, preferring medium-sized colonies and, with enough room, can even share an enclosure with Quetzalcoatlus. Make sure their habitat reflects their natural home, with arid ground, rocky perches, sparse cover, and wide open skies for flying. Graceful, sociable, and endlessly watchable, the Kayuajara will make an exciting attraction for any new habitat.